Hi guys, so let's make a smoothie together. I preferably like to have a smoothie in the morning as my breakfast or a post-workout like mid-morning kind of lunch. So basically the first half of the day. So these are the things I put in it usually. Actually, there are no rules to making a smoothie. You can put whatever vegetable you want, whatever adaptogen you want, whatever nut milk you like. There's so many nice nut milk options. And I'm putting cauliflower rice today. Some raspberries, frozen raspberries. They're not organic, some frozen blueberries, but they're still better. And then frozen, you can use the frozen ones. They're so easy and you can use them instead of ice. So much fiber and they're as good as the fresh non-organic raspberries and blueberries, to be honest. Some ashwagandha, which I use on a daily basis. And this one is a very clean protein powder made from faba beans. It's vegan with lots of fiber. And some magnesium. It's unstressing drink, but I'm just going to put it in my smoothie. And this is great, hishugu. Some cinnamon, actually lots of cinnamon. I love cinnamon. I just use it in anything and everything. And some spirulina. We'll just see how it goes. Just don't make any rules for a smoothie. Just don't follow recipes for smoothies. Just see how you feel, what your body needs, what your body doesn't need. So there are no rules to it. So let's get started. Video is not just about the smoothie or the recipe. I just wanted to point out that make an effort to make a meal or two in a day at least yourself, because you know what your body needs and doesn't need, and you're going to put the right ingredients. And when you come to the kitchen, you'll be like, oh, let's put I need like more ghee in my eggs, like, or something or the other. Like just go with what your body needs. And I like to believe that whatever I make myself, so that's what truly nourishes and heals me. I know there's so many delivery options and takeout options which are also healthy, but I don't think that's really going to help or really nourish your mind, body and soul. So I don't want to sound so dramatic here, but I like to believe, like in the old days when you got sick and your grandmother, your mom made you soup, you instantly got better. So that's the whole point. So have the best intentions and make your food yourself, even if it's like a little smoothie, like how I made, and make it with lots of love and intention, good intention.